Hi, welcome to the season 3 of Emoha Podcast. And mura magmakaingon ta ba na baguhay makita nag season 2 no. And again season 3 na sa denta no. And we all know that we have a 10 episode per season no. Except siguro sa season 1 kay mo to siya pinakataas nga season no. And and I think we will be talking about what are the things that we have learned in season 2 and also what are the things that we can expect in season 3. So please stick around.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Emoha Podcast.
So we will be talking about the perspective and the goal of this channel. And before that, atong paminawan kung kinsa tong sponsors. So what are the things that we have learned from the season 2? Well, I think nakita niyo siya sa title. I think it's really a perspective, no? Daghang kong nakatunan about perspective, even though outside of this channel, even outside of the recording, no, and even my personal life, no, daghang kong nakatunan about perspective, no. And I met a lot of people, and also, I have my interaction as well with other people, and they have a different perspective. And for me also, I have a different perspective in life, and sometimes we disagree with each other, and sometimes we agree with each other, no. So we have different perspective in life, no. And if nakabantay lang gid mo sa atong topic before about tipping, no, and siguro makakaon mo sa about katong lola o katong bata o katong mga gahig-ulo na itong press nako na sa gahig-ulo, and also katong negative self-talk or maybe just self-talk sa imuhang kaugalingon, and also katong iro no na namatay, no. So I think that's really the part where daghang kitag mga nakatunan na, and I think that's really different perspective, no. So if wala pa mo nakapamin na itong episodes, then you can always check that one out in the season 2 of this Emoha Podcast. Okay, so what are the things that we can expect in season 3? Well, I think we really have a good feedback of this kind of topic and this kind of stories, no. I think we just need to continue that one. Daghang kig mga nakatunan sa dana ng mga tao na mo din siya inanin ng mga perspective, no. And also there's a lot of lessons on those stories na makayunta na bitaw, no. There's a lot of realization as well. So yeah, and then speaking of that one, I think we have also a story that I can share to you. It's the same thing. It's all about perspective, no. So na usa ka tawo nga nang-apply siya formal kay siya, nang-apply siya trabaho, no. And usa siya ka maintenance sa usa ka building, no. Na naglagot siya or wala siya ganahi is because ang iyang sweldo is just minimum wage. So I think makasabot sa kita, no, na, and there's all some people who are so lucky to have that kind of skills to get this kind of pay grade, no. Well, it's really a good story, no. But in the other hand, no, there's also a story about mga tao nga nagtrabaho sa bukid, no. Dili man sa tanan pong mga tao nga katong nagtrabaho sa bukid is dato, di ba? And they have also a minimum wage, no. But ano happy mo sa silang life, no? Bisan to gamay mas lang kwarta, ano happy mo sa silang life? Well, I think that's it, no. I think that's really a perspective too, and maybe a contentment. And I think there's really one thing na ako pong nakatunan na, daghang mga tao nasa bukid but they're so contented, and then they're also happy in their life, no. Bisan to dili sila ana kadagag kwarta, no. I think those stories depende na niya sa imuha, and depende kung unsa yung perspective nimo na in two different stories. Depende kung asa ka dapita ma-contented, no. I don't know if you're happy na daghang ka kwarta or maybe happy ka na kay time, and depende gid sa imo, no. Na same thing po sa ako ang kauban sa una na naka-istorya na ako katong napa ko sa barko, no. And medyo naglalis mi ato niya. Kaya nga ako niya ba na dili na to mapalit ang oras atong pamilya, no. And wala siya ning agree sa ako, no. Kay ang amo ako nang gibuhat dito sa barko nga mahatagan na to kwarta nga to ang pamilya dinhi sa Pinas. Then we have a different perspective, no. I'm talking about the time and he's talking about the money. And after all, nakita-kita pa nagyapon mi sa Pinas, no. And kana lang palang daan, no, dinha pa lang na perspective na lahi mig perspective. I'm talking about the quality time with my family, and he's talking about the money for his family, no. So well, depende ito siguro kainom sad mi ato, no, na kay mga istorya mga binutbot, no. But that's actually a good story po nga to think about na, or we have a different perspective good in life, no. And lahi kita, and then we always respect that one, no. It's the same thing in social media and mainstream media, and also in the real story gid. I think there's one story with 3 different perspective. And I think inana gana siya, no. Dili man na siya bati sa inana, no. Dili man sad na isa ra ka story atong paminaw, no. Kung napaslagingon nga check the other side of the story. So kung baga inana gana siya, no. The argument of 2 person dili nang isa lang atong paminaw, no. There's always be other stories from the other person, ba. That's why we're not closing other people's perspective, no. It's because that's really so valuable sa ato adin, no. And this is the main genre of this channel, no. That this is more or less we continue until the last day of this channel kung ano sa magani mahuman itong channel, no. And speaking of ano sa mahuman, no. And then also we need to break down also our goals of this channel. So even before this, it's also a part of the plan na mo nang isulti in the season 3. So we will break down the goals of this channel, okay? So one of the breakdown is that i-breakdown to siya per season, no. And also the main goal of this one actually is that we can start to upload 100 episodes or maybe more or less or 100 weeks of podcast episodes, no. So taas gana siya. Medyo daghan-daghan po gina siya to na buhato, no? And then now we are in the season 3. So basically in the episode 13 na ginatin ni siya. So more or less 30% sa atong goal nakuha na nato, no? And from there we will see pag abot sa 100 episodes, we will see if unsay mahitabo sa channel, no? And maybe we do rebranding, maybe recalculate siguro, or depende, no? Or maybe we'll just stop this kind of podcast, no? But depende pa na siya. Daghan pa kay mahitabo na. Within those 100 episodes, we will be still continuing the storytelling and also the different perspective in life. So I think this is really the main genre of this channel. And yeah. And speaking of perspective, no, and gusto na ako na invite punta mo sa blog sa akong anak. So akong anak, he's 11 years old at this point, and he has already a blog of his own perspective, no. So napo siya yung perspective through writing. So di na siya maka-express po siya. So very short blog, and then you can read it more just like 30 seconds or 1 minute wag siya na blog, no. If you really want to check it, then please visit macollinscorner.blogspot.com. Ganahan ka mo react dito, and it's really good, no. That's the thoughts of an 11 years old right now. So yeah, so ganahan namin na maka-share po sa inana na different perspectives at his early age. So yeah, please visit macollinscorner.blogspot.com. Or maybe if you really want to share your stories or maybe your perspective, you can always contact us at imohapodcast@gmail.com, or you can always follow our social media channel: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, Pinterest. And also we have also a channel in Kumu, so we do live episode also in Kumu. So if you really want to check our channel as well, you can always find us on Kumu. And yeah, I think this is really the end of this episode. And again, welcome to the season 3 of Emoha Podcast. And ayan lang ginyo kalimti, basta magluto, maglimpyo, manghugas, maglaba, magkaon, maginusara. Kanina podcast para sa Emoha. I'll see you in the next episode, and I always love you. And kabaligin mo na, no? I always love you. Alright, so yeah, I love you and bye-bye for now.